Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Other than the individual mandate penalty repeal, and the delay of a few of the ACA's taxes, including the Cadillac tax, the ACA is still fully in effect, including the premium subsidies, the cost-sharing reductions, aka cost-sharing subsidies, Medicaid expansion, the employer mandate, protections for people with
Make your mark, take our lead.
TrumpCare cuts most taxes on industry. This includes the 3.8% tax on high earners. Obamacare taxes those who profit the most off of healthcare. Older Americans can be charged 5x more than young people under TrumpCare.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Updated on October 24, 2020. As of 2019, the Obamacare individual mandate, which requires you to have health insurance, no longer applies at the federal level. However, 5 states and the District of Columbia have an individual mandate at the state level.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Anyone with pre-existing conditions could potentially lose their coverage. Repeal of Obamacare would allow insurance companies to deny coverage for people with pre-existing conditions or charge higher premiums, making it difficult for many to afford coverage.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.